the Donkey Kong and Mario Brothers arcade games. Mario's Bombs Away, Dr. Mario 64, Mario teaches typing, Mario's Time Machine, Mario is Missing, Mario Paint, Mario and Wario. Mario's Picross, Mario's Picross 2, Mario's Game Gallery, Mario Party 4, Mario Party 5, Mario Party 6, Mario Party 7, Mario Party 8, Mario Party Advance, Mario Party DS, Mario Sports Mix, Super Mario Strikers, Mario Superstar Baseball, New Super Mario Bros. Wii, Mario Pinball Land, Super Mario All-Stars, Super Mario All-Stars 25th Anniversary Edition, Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games, Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Winter Games, Mario Power Tennis, Mario Kart Double Dash, those two other Mario and Luigi games. Mario vs. Donkey Kong 2, Super Mario Galaxy 2, Super Mario 64 DS, Super Mario Advance 2, Super Mario Advance 3, Super Mario Advance 4.
I'm going home to spend time with my family.